Ever missed a connecting flight, lost your luggage, or found yourself in a never-ending security line? Well, you're not alone. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time flyer, we've all experienced those unexpected twists and turns that make our journeys uniquely unforgettable. So in today's video from Top Secret Travel Tips, we will be sharing top 10 airport mistakes that you might have been making. Mistake number 1. Not dressing for travel. Ensure your attire strikes the right chord by prioritizing both comfort and style. Aim for a well-balanced ensemble while maintaining comfort. Avoid extremes. There's no need to appear overly casual, but you don't have to go as far as wearing a formal suit or an elaborate dress. Find that middle ground for a fashion-forward yet comfortable appearance. Prioritize comfort from head to toe, especially when it comes to footwear. While high heels may be tempting, opt for shoes that provide both style and comfort. With the potential for frequent boarding and disembarking, as well as some walking, it's crucial to choose shoes that you can comfortably wear for extended periods. Ensure your entire ensemble, including footwear, is tailored for endurance and ease throughout your journey. Mistake number 2. Not early enough. Both novice and seasoned travelers can fall into the same pitfall, often exacerbated by a bit too much comfort or overconfidence. Regardless of your expertise, avoid the common mistake of cutting arrival time too close at the airport. It's crucial to ensure you have ample time in case of a lengthy security line or any hiccups during baggage check or flight check-in. Travel days are unpredictable and there's no need to add unnecessary stress by pushing time limits. Play it safe and arrive with a buffer to make your journey smoother and stress-free. Mistake number 3. Double-checking documentation. It's an easily avoidable but crucial mistake that can disrupt your entire travel day. What I'm emphasizing here is the importance of double-checking everything, from boarding passes and health insurance verifications to visas. Verify any document containing your name, numbers, dates, and times. Small errors such as a mistake in your passport number during a visa application can prevent you from flying, leading to days or even weeks of waiting for a new visa. Take the time to review these details to ensure a smooth and hassle-free journey. Mistake number 4. Overpacking. Here's a straightforward yet commonly overlooked tip. The more stuff you carry, the more stress you invite. Efficient packing not only eases your movement on and off the plane, but also streamlines the security process, reducing overall stress. Additionally, it minimizes the risk of mistakes like theft or loss. When preparing for your trip, resist the urge to overpack and strive for a well-organized and minimalist approach to enhance your travel experience. Mistake number 5. Security ready. This tip aligns with the issue of overpacking as both are commonly made before reaching the airport. The mistake here is not being adequately prepared for security. Ensure your suitcase is security ready by organizing items such as liquids in a Ziploc bag and keeping electronics easily accessible. Opt for comfortable clothes and shoes that can be quickly removed and put back on. A smooth security process benefits not only you, but also your fellow travelers by creating a more efficient experience. Next time you travel, take a moment to be well prepared for security to enhance the overall efficiency of your journey. Mistake number 6. Being impatient. While a bit abstract, the concept of patience is crucial in the realm of travel. Acknowledge that the process can be clunky and slow and set realistic expectations. Extend patience to others, especially during security checks, and equally important, afford yourself the same patience. Travel days are prone to unforeseen hiccups, and adopting a patient mindset equips you to handle unexpected situations with composure. By approaching your journey with patience, you not only make the experience more enjoyable for yourself, but also contribute to a smoother and more pleasant atmosphere for those around you. So make a conscious effort to embrace patience during your travels for a more enjoyable and stress-free journey. Mistake number 7. Going off the grid. Staying connected to the grid is essential during travel, especially when you're on vacation or taking a break from the daily grind. While the idea of disconnecting sounds appealing, it's crucial to have easy access to your phone or electronic device to stay informed about flight updates, gate changes, and boarding passes. In today's travel landscape, these electronic connections enhance efficiency, making your journey smoother. So the next time you prepare for a trip or spend time in the airport, ensure you have a device close at hand to navigate through the necessary updates on the grid, ultimately making your travel experience much more convenient. Mistake number 8. Buying things at the airport. Minimizing purchases at the airport is a smart strategy to save money. Prices at airports are often inflated, leading to unnecessary expenses. While it may not always be entirely avoidable, especially during long layovers, you can plan ahead to reduce spending. Bring your own entertainment such as a magazine or iPod and pack some of your favorite snacks like granola bars to curb the need for expensive airport purchases. Additionally, carrying a refillable water bottle can help you avoid the high costs of buying drinks at the airport. By being prepared and bringing essentials with you, you'll significantly cut down on unnecessary expenses and make your airport experience more budget-friendly. Mistake number 9. Not being aware. Being mindful of your surroundings while traveling is a crucial aspect that only impacts your own experience but also influences fellow travelers. General safety is a primary concern, and keeping track of your luggage, family members, and personal items is essential. By staying aware of your surroundings, you contribute to a more successful travel day for yourself and create a more pleasant environment for others. For instance, avoid occupying multiple seats with your belongings when boarding a plane, as this kind of awareness and courtesy ensures safety and enhances the overall enjoyment of the travel experience for everyone. So make it a habit to be conscious of your surroundings and considerate of those sharing the journey with you. Mistake number 10. Not checking to see if your gate is real. It might sound amusing, but the mistakes of assuming your gate is nearby after clearing security is a common oversight that can have significant consequences on your travel day. For instance, if you immediately sit down at a restaurant thinking your gate is just around the corner, you might be in for a surprise if it requires navigating stairs or taking a shuttle. To avoid potential issues, I strongly recommend heading to your gate promptly after clearing security. This way, you can assess the distance, potential obstacles, and the time required to reach your gate. Planning ahead ensures you won't be caught off guard, reducing the risk of being late and missing your flight. So resist the temptation to delay and head to your gate early, ensuring a smoother and stress-free boarding process. In conclusion, a smooth and enjoyable travel experience is often a result of careful planning and awareness. From avoiding overpacking to staying connected on the grid, being patient and remaining vigilant of your surroundings, these simple tips can make a significant difference in your journey. Steering clear of last-minute rushes, minimizing purchases at the airport, and timely gate arrivals are small actions that collectively contribute to a stress-free travel day. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or a novice explorer, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and stay tuned for more exciting travel content. Embracing these insights can turn your travel day into a more efficient, pleasant, and worry-free adventure. Until next time, happy travels!